buyer beware. Mortgage lenders, some mortgage lenders will say anything regardless of how preposterous or crazy it may be to try to get your business. I had a client call me last week. Wasn't so much a client of mine, it was a client of a realtor that I work with, and they had received an offer from another mortgage lender that wanted to give them a very, very low rate. It was going to be an adjustable rate mortgage for 5 years. And then after 6 months, after making payments on it for 6 months, they were going to come back and give them a even lower interest rate. They quoted him a very low rate. I don't remember the details. I think they were telling him like 3.5%. And what I told them was, who knows what the market's going to be in 6 months. Anyone who promises you this rate or that rate 6 months down the road, they're lying to you. You know, I don't like to use harsh language like that, and because obviously there's things that I don't know, and I'm pretty knowledgeable in the mortgage industry, but there's things that I don't know. I don't know everything, but I do know this. I know what and this was a VA loan that they were talking to them about, and I know that the market, the VA market, the VA rates, really all mortgage rates, they're driven by the markets, the bond market, the stock market, which influences the bond market. The main thing to take away from this is the fact that it's dynamic. No one knows. No one has a crystal ball. If someone had a crystal ball and can look forward 6 months into the markets, they would be extremely rich. And for someone to sit there and make a promise, oh, in 6 months I'll give you a rate of X, that was a huge, huge red flag for me. And I told them that, and as they thought about it, they said, you know what, you're right. And maybe it sounded too good to be true. And when you're talking to salespeople, really any type of salesperson, and they give you an offer or they tell you something, especially if it's not something that they can deliver today, and they say in the future this will be or that will be, and it is so much better than what anyone else could offer today, there's a really good chance that they're lying to you. And I can almost to a certainty guarantee the guy that I was talking to that he was being lied to by someone who simply wanted to get him to sign on the dotted line today, and he'll worry about 6 months from now. 6 months from now. So be careful. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.